Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over time dry versus sensor dry. And pretty much what the major difference with that is, sensor dry uses moisture inside your dryer to sense how long it needs to run a cycle for. Time dry is more self-explanatory. You set it for 20-30 minutes, it's going to run for 20 or 30 minutes. Now, this sensor dry right here, or actually before I segment, if you're not sure if you have a sensor dry, it will pretty much tell you right on your control panel. Right there, we had the HE, high efficiency, which I went over last week, and the sensor dry tag. So, this dryer, we have our sensor right here and our vent. Now, depending on the manufacturer and who you have, and depending where the suction is, sometimes it's up here on the front, not all the way on the back. So now if you throw in, let's say, just a couple handful of stuff, you might run into issues with your sensor dry not completing the cycle because the moisture inside those clothes can't reach that sensor. It's not making contact, so it's not saying, hey, we need more time. It's not allowing itself to compensate for the time that it needs to. Now, the more clothes you put in there, the more moisture that you have, so the longer it's going to run, and that is going to ensure that all your clothes are drying properly and running how it needs to. If you're just going to throw 5-6 items in there, you might want to select it onto a time cycle. That way you can ensure that your clothes are going to dry. But, play around with your unit. See how long it takes for a sensor dry cycle and accommodate how you need to. Add some more, take some out if they're still wet, however you need to adjust. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.